Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to unlock ChatGPT's hidden features that can transform the way you interact with it. This guide will reveal key functionalities you might not even know existed. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. Alright, let's get started. Now, let's dive into one of ChatGPT's hidden gems, image editing and generation. You might already know that ChatGPT can generate stunning visuals, but did you know that you can also edit parts of those images directly in the interface? Now, for example, let's say you want to make changes to a scene like this playground image. All you have to do is select the area you want to modify, and ChatGPT right here can generate variations based on your selection from the image right here. So let's try it out. So I'm going to click on the image right here, then go down here, then select this icon right here, the one with the palette and the paintbrush. Click, and now your cursor is right there. Now transform into a circle, and once I do, I'll select a portion of the sky in this image right here. So let me just select this one right there, just cover all the pieces of the sky, view here from this picture, yada, yada, yada. And here we go. And now once I selected it, then I pasted my prompt down here. So here's what I said. Replace the sky with a sunset view. Now, once I got this all ready, then I hit enter. All right, the prompt is sent, and ChatGPT is working on enhancing the scene. So it might take a bit while for the process to finish. So just be patient right there. And as you can see right here we go. ChatGPT has adjusted the sky to showcase a beautiful sunset while keeping the rest of the playground scene vibrant and engaging. Imagine the creative possibilities you can unlock with this tool. Cool, right? Another powerful hidden feature within ChatGPT is the ability to seamlessly continue or expand on a specific part of its generated response using the reply option right here. This is great for when you want more information or clarification on something that caught your attention in the conversation. For instance, after generating a response about how music reflects cultural values and such, I might want to dive deeper into a specific section. I can simply highlight the part, like for instance, like this one right here that interests me, and use the reply feature right here to ask for a more detailed explanation or elaboration by input my prompt down here in this chat box right here. So here's what I can do. For example, I'll select this one, then click reply here with the quotation marks. Then I insert the prompt that I put together. So let's say, can you elaborate on how music serves as a mirror of society? As you can see here, I've selected a specific portion of the generated response. And now, once I asked for more details, I'll send this over right now. Here we go. And as you can see right here, as it currently processes, yep, here it is. Here we have some more details from ChatGPT. Right here is now expanded on how music mirrors society and such. It's giving us more insights into its role in reflecting its social commentary, evolution of social norms and such. There's economic and technological shifts right here. And yeah, it sounds really cool, I can see. So with this feature, you can keep refining and exploring your responses for better clarity, or more nuanced details. And now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Now, let's explore one of ChatGPT's more interactive hidden features, its ability to assume different roles for conversation practice. For instance, let's ask ChatGPT to take on a role of a customer, and I'll practice responding as if I were a customer service representative. This is a fantastic way to rehearse real world scenarios before you're in the moment. Now, here's the prompt that I crafted together. Let me just paste it right here. So I'd ask, please act as a customer with an issue about their recent online purchase, and I'll respond as a customer service representative. Sounds good to ChatGPT. It all depends on what ChatGPT would respond. So let's end this off right now. All right, I've just sent the prompt, and ChatGPT will now assume the role of a customer. As you can see right here, let's just read it out loud. Let's say, "Hi, I recently placed an order for a pair of wireless earbuds on your website, but when the package arrived, I found out that I received a different model than the one I ordered. I had selected the latest version with noise cancellation, but I received the older model instead. Can you help me fix this?" See right here. Now we have a customer scenario. So ChatGPT has taken on the role perfectly, providing an issue for me to address as a customer service representative. Now, let me respond as the representative with this prompt right here. Okay, so here's what I've said. I said, "I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Could you please provide me with your order number so I can look into the issue and assist you further?" So let me send this right over. And here's the follow-up response. See how it mimics a real-world interaction, allowing you to practice responding to different issues in a safe and controlled environment? So yeah, this feature is highly adaptable, whether you're practicing for customer service, teaching, or conversational roles. Pretty cool, huh? Lastly, let's dive into a fun and interactive hidden feature, playing text-based games with ChatGPT. You can engage ChatGPT in a variety of games, whether it's trivia, word game, or a quiz on your favorite topics. Now, for example, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a quick trivia quiz about general knowledge. And so here's the prompt that I crafted together here. Ask me questions and I'll try to answer them. So let's see how it works. Now I've just sent the prompt, so this feature is perfect for testing your knowledge on various subjects, or simply having fun during your free time. All right, so here we go. So it lets me answer the first one, and let's see how I do. So the first question is, what is the capital city of Australia? Actually, not quite familiar with my geography knowledge. Let me take a guess. Let's say Melbourne? Is it? Let's check. Ah, I got it wrong. But it did give me the correct answer, which is Canberra. Is it the correct pronunciation? I don't know. So yeah, you can continue playing, answer more questions, and even switch topics, that is. And so this feature is a fun way to interact with ChatGPT and can be used for anything from casual games to more educational quizzes. And that wraps up today's exploration of ChatGPT's hidden features. I hope you found some new tricks to try out and make your interactions with ChatGPT even more powerful. Let me know in the comments below if there are any hidden features that I've missed so far. Who knows, I might be able to make another video about that. Until then, see you next time, everybody.